Hi, boys and girls. I hope you're enjoying the nice weather that we've been having lately. I have missed you in class, and I love seeing all the hard work that you're putting into everything that you're doing these last few weeks on Seesaw. Today or this week, we're going to be talking about poems. And when we read poems, I want you to think about in the poem, what do you hear? What can you see? What do you smell? What can you taste? We're going to be using our senses and finding things in our poem that appeals to these senses or that show us or tell us what the person is feeling, hearing, seeing, smelling, tasting. We're going to be doing all that stuff with our poems this week. The first poem I wanted to introduce you to today is called Spring is Here. And I'm going to read it to you, and then we're going to do one of this or part of this together on this lesson. This poem is called Spring is Here. Bees are buzzing all around, collecting pollen near the ground. Warm breeze blowing on my face helps my kite soar and race. Soft green grass tickles my feet. The smell of new flowers is very sweet. Ice cream makes my mouth feel cold. The soggy cone is hard to hold. The sights of spring are here to stay. What a beautiful time to be out and play. What a great poem about spring. I hope you're getting to do some of these things right now when it is spring and there are some nice things going on outside, nice weather outside. If we come down here, you're going to be filling this out in Seesaw this week a couple of times, not just one time. It'll be a couple of times that you're going to see this week. I want you to see the whole page. So there's a person here, and we're going to identify words or phrases in the poems that suggest feelings or have something to do with our senses. So if we go back to our Spring is Here poem and we think about that, what does the person in that poem smell? One of our things here is smell. What do they smell? If we go back up to our poem, we will see that one of the things they smell is the smell of new flowers is very sweet. And so what we're going to do is we're going to highlight that because that's important. That is something that that person smells. The smell of new flowers. That means they're growing, they're popping up. I'm sure you're seeing that around your house too. If we go back down to our to our person, what does this person hear? What do they hear? Hmm. I think one of the things that they hear is bees are buzzing all around. That would be something I would hear in my ear. Let's go ahead and highlight that. The bees are buzzing all around. If we go back down, we're going to go to feel. What are they feeling in this poem? One of the things that I see that they feel is soft green grass tickling their feet. That would be something that you would feel. I also see a warm breeze blowing on my face. That's another thing that you can feel. Another thing that they say in here, you might have already guessed it, is that ice cream makes the mouth feel cold. Now, that could be a feel, but I'm going to save that because I'm going to put that under taste because I love the taste of ice cream in my mouth. I don't know about you, but that's one of my favorites. So let's highlight that for taste. What does the person see? There are a lot of things that they see in this poem. They might see bees. They might even see this kite soar and race. Um, but I like how it says they see the sights of spring. The sights of spring. So that could be all of those things in our poem that they're seeing as they're standing there looking around them. And I think we've done all of those. You're going to have several poems this week that that Mrs. Watson's going to put on Seesaw. And you're going to read them just like I did. And then you're going to do the sheet that looks like this. This same exact sheet is going to show up in Seesaw this week. So you're going to be working on those things on poetry this week about spring. So I hope you enjoy that. I hope you all are doing great. And I hope that I get to see you soon. Have a great day today on your e-learning. Bye.